Welcome back to Summarize Science. What if a robot could learn to fold your laundry or make your morning espresso simply by practicing, getting better with every attempt? Today, we're looking at a fascinating new paper that introduces a system to do just that. Researchers have developed a method called recap, which allows a robot to learn from real-world experience, including its own mistakes. The core idea is shown in this diagram. The system starts with a generally capable, pre-trained robot brain, or VLA. It then deploys this robot on a task, like assembling boxes. As the robot works, it collects data from its own autonomous attempts. If it gets stuck or makes a big error, a human can intervene and show it the correct way to proceed. All of this data, the successes, the failures, and the human corrections, is fed back into the system. This experience is used to train a value function, which is essentially the robot's intuition about whether an action will lead to success. The robot's main policy is then fine-tuned using this improved intuition, making it better at the task. And the tasks these robots learned are not simple toy problems. We're talking about complex, real-world chores like making espresso from start to finish, which involves handling liquids and precise actions. It also learned to assemble cardboard boxes and even fold a diverse range of laundry items, which are notoriously difficult for robots to handle. So how much better did the robot get? The results are dramatic. This graph shows the throughput, or the number of successful tasks completed per hour. For the most difficult tasks, like diverse laundry and making espresso, the final model trained with recap more than doubled the number of successful completions per hour compared to the earlier versions. Looking at the success rate, we see a similar story. For these challenging tasks, the new training method cut the failure rate by more than half. On the box assembly task, you can see it achieves a very high success rate across all sub-steps, from picking up the cardboard to stacking the finished box. Perhaps one of the most compelling demonstrations is how recap can fix specific, persistent failures. In one experiment, the robot often folded a t-shirt with the collar facing down, which was considered a failure. After just a couple of rounds of learning from its mistakes on this specific setup, the robot learned to fold it correctly with the collar up nearly 100% of the time. So, to recap the key points, this research presents recap, a practical method for training robots using reinforcement learning in the real world. It combines data from demonstrations, autonomous practice, and human corrections to significantly improve a robot's performance. The system makes the robot not only more successful, but also much faster at completing complex chores. What does this mean for the future? While the system still requires some human oversight, this is a major step towards creating general-purpose robots that can truly learn and master new skills in our own environments. Imagine a robot that could adapt to your specific kitchen or learn how you like your clothes folded. Methods like recap are paving the way for that reality.